Mental illness has long been a subject of scientific inquiry and social debate. From ancient theories attributing mental disorders to supernatural forces to modern neuroscience revealing the biological etiologies, our understanding of mental health has evolved significantly. But one of the most groundbreaking revelations in recent years is the role that genetics plays in mental disorders. Researchers have uncovered compelling evidence that conditions such as bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, autism, and ADHD have strong genetic components. But how much of our mental health is predetermined by our DNA? And what does this mean for the treatment and prevention? Let's talk about it. The human brain is an incredibly complex organ, shaped by both genetic and environmental factors. While no single gene is solely responsible for mental disorders, scientists have identified a multitude of genetic variations that contribute to susceptibility. Mental illnesses often run in families, suggesting an inherited component. However, unlike traditional genetic disorders such as cystic fibrosis or Huntington's disease, mental disorders are polygenic, meaning they arise from the combined effects of multiple genes interacting with environmental influences. This also means that although your genes may make you predisposed to a certain disorder, it won't guarantee that you are going to get it. One of the most well-known inherited mental disorders is bipolar disorder. Studies have shown that individuals with a first-degree relative, such as a parent or sibling, with bipolar disorder are 80 to 90% more likely to develop the condition themselves. Genome-wide association studies, or GWAS, have identified specific genetic markers associated with the disorder, including variations in genes like ANK3, which play crucial roles in brain signaling and neuronal function. Similarly, schizophrenia, a severe mental illness affecting cognition, emotion, and perception, has been strongly linked to genetics. Research indicates that individuals with a family history of schizophrenia have a much higher risk of developing the disorder. The landmark discovery of the ST4 gene's role in schizophrenia provided critical insights into its genetic basis. This gene is involved in synaptic pruning, a process where the brain eliminates excess neural connections during development. Abnormal activity in this gene may contribute to the neural deficits seen in schizophrenia, highlighting a potential target for future therapies. Another highly inherited condition is autism spectrum disorder, or ASD, which affects communication, behavior, and social interactions. Autism is known for its strong genetic component, with heritability estimates ranging from 50% to 90%. Genetic studies have pinpointed variations in several genes, including SHANK3, CHD8, and SCN2A, all of which are crucial for brain development and synaptic function. Researchers have also found that spontaneous or de novo mutations, which are genetic changes that arise in a child without being present in either parent, play a significant role in autism, further complicating our understanding of its inheritance patterns. Lastly, attention deficit or hyperactivity disorder, also known as ADHD, a neurodevelopmental disorder characterized by inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity, has also been linked to genetic factors. Twin studies suggest that ADHD is one of the most heritable psychiatric disorders, with an estimated heritability of 70 to 80%. Genome-wide association studies have identified several risk genes, including DRD4 and DAT1, which are involved in dopamine regulation. Given dopamine's essential role in attention and reward processing, these findings provide valuable insights into the biological mechanisms underlying ADHD. While these discoveries offer promising directions for understanding mental illness, they also raise important ethical and practical questions. Could genetic screening one day predict an individual's likelihood of developing a mental disorder? If so, what would this mean for stigma and discrimination? Furthermore, while genetics play a critical role, environmental factors such as stress, trauma, and early life experiences interact with genetic predispositions. Despite these challenges, genetic research has already influenced treatment strategies. For example, pharmacogenetics, or the study of how genes affect a person's response to medications, has led to more personalized approaches in psychiatry. Some individuals metabolize psychiatric drugs differently due to genetic variations, influencing both the efficacy and side effects of treatments. By integrating genetic insights into mental health care, we may be moving toward a future where treatments are tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup, increasing their effectiveness while minimizing adverse effects. So what does this all mean for the future? As research advances, we may unlock new ways to prevent and treat mental illness more effectively. Ethical considerations must guide our progress to ensure that genetic discoveries do not lead to further marginalization or discrimination of individuals with mental disorders. If you enjoyed this exploration into the genetics of mental illness, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, stay curious and take care.